Hey, good morning guys. This is Tim for Toolman of Home Improvement Accent. One of the things we're going to talk about today is an accent wall. So these clients of mine wanted an accent wall put on their on one of their walls. So we're going to do some nice accent colors. We're going to change the color of the walls here. We're going to do some crown molding around. But one of the biggest things is we're going to do the floor and everything else. One of the biggest things though that we wanted to do is we wanted to do an accent wall along here and really kind of make this wall pop. And then along with that, we wanted to add actually and install a barn door, which we did. The barn doors are real inexpensive. This one was about $400 with the hardware, and you can stain it any color you want. The nice thing about this is it's raw. So basically you can stain it any color you want. Now we're kind of wanting to make sure we put the floor in first after we strip out all this linoleum that's there before. And then we'll be able to decide after we put the floor kind of where and how that's going to match and what we want to do as far as if we want to go natural, if we want to do whitewash, whatever we want to do. But I wanted to show you the accent wall here. We actually stained this wall different colors as we went through and made it look really kind of unique and old. To do this, basically it's just Douglas fir that we've stained and put in place to make it look kind of unique and different. And so that's the wall that we ended up doing all the way across. Now this wall here, if you would have done the prefab stuff, probably would have cost you about $1,000. This wall only cost about $300 in materials. That's including the stain and the wood. It took me 2 days to do, to cut the pieces and make it look nice, and then it took me about, I don't know, maybe half a day to do the door, which you can see right there, sliding nice and neat. It's got its own little hardware up top. It's got blockers so it stops it so it doesn't roll off on each side. Brings a nice little unique accent to it. Plus, with the air being inside this front room, it keeps it nice and cool in this room alone. So I wanted to kind of show you this. Again, this was just put on with some glue, some nails on the existing wall, which basically looks just like this before we started. All right, on this side. And now you can see we finished it off really nice look along the whole entire area. And then I'll kind of show you videos as we go along this house and kind of show you what we're doing next. Again, we're working on the floor next, but I wanted to show you that's the accent wall. Any questions or likes, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to give you some information about it. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. And we got a lot more coming. We're going to redo this whole entire house. Thanks. This is Tim for Toolman Home Improvement. Thank you.